So when would you replace or supplement the sun in a greenhouse? Uh, Normally, you need to add supplemental light if, first of all, you don't get enough light for your crop even during the normal part of the year, or more importantly, during the winter when light levels are much lower, where your yield could be half or even not at all for certain crops across the winter. So in this case, you really have to add supplemental lighting or not grow those crops in the winter. So it's really an economic calculation based on how much more yield will you get with a certain amount of extra light. And that will be dialed into the spectrum of the sun to add whatever sun is missing, especially during the winter or in foggy days or in the mornings or evenings when you have very low light situations. And LEDs can naturally simulate that sunlight to give you even light across the day and across the whole year.